The article I chose is called Primed for Controversy. The purpose of the article is to inform readers about the controversy surrounding the goal priming effect, which is basically a type of subliminal messaging, and the failure to replicate the research. The author also talks about not only replicating this research, but all sorts of research. So there are also problems with replicating medical research and law research and all sorts of things. I learned quite a few things from this article. First of all, I learned that the goal priming effect isn't very effective when you're trying to change someone's behavior or way of thinking. I also learned that there are problems with replication. So the author states that every single thing has to be exactly the same all the way across the board when you're doing replication research. And if any one thing is off, then it ruins the replication. So they found that people change a certain thing in their protocol or research design or their method of interpreting data, and any of those things could change the results of the replication of the research. I also learned that a lot of research that is published is never replicated. So basically they just sort of trust each other for it to be correct, and that's probably because they're not actually rewarded for taking all this time out to actually do the replication instead of doing their own research. That can cause problems with it being valid or not. So if I were to research a topic further, I would go to either the library or the PsycInfo database. I would probably expect to find, certain subjects that have been researched multiple times, and I could probably find things that are different regarding the protocol or the types of research, design, and methods of interpreting data that could throw off the replication. I could also probably find, information regarding the goal priming effect or subliminal messaging. And this article relates to the class because it has to do with the goal priming research, and it also has to do with replication. And replication is really important when you're researching anything, but especially in psychology. There's a huge section in the book on just simply replication. So this article is really important.